Screws are coming out. Damn. They moving? Yeah, the screws.
This is the scrap metal place. I was gonna try it now.
There you go, Al. Yeah, baby. There it is. Hit it one time. You're dropping it out. The frame is dropping right on out. Hit the frame now. Hit the frame. Right here. Right here. Never fall. Done. What? Done.
He said it's done. What do you mean done?
It's gonna come right off. Right off. You wanna do it?
Whoa, whoa, I almost fell. Shit. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Get the wood or the metal? The wood.
Too bad it's dark.
You wanna do it?
Hell, I don't know heavy stuff. That's you guys. You're like John Henry. Damn, Claude. Too bad it's too dark, but I see it. Stop it in 2 minutes. So you can see the scrap metal where we at. Look at the gates there. Willie's gates.
There it is.
Let me see.
Reggie, I missed it.